At IDEA StatiCa, we focus not only on software development, but also on the proper education of our users. Structural engineers who want to continuously improve and are interested in the features of IDEA StatiCa tools have three options. If you like to read and look for specific answers, our support center, combined with the YouTube channel, is the ideal source of information for you. But in case you need a quick and intensive introduction to our tools, training seminars are the most effective solution. Here you can learn everything important within a few hours, exactly according to your requirements. And finally, if you prefer a self-study at your own pace, at times that suits you best, and you like the advantage of online learning, our campus web platform is the perfect solution. Here, we have prepared a brand new series of courses dedicated to structural engineering and IDEA StatiCa applications, accessible via user portal. You can choose from three areas of interest: steel, concrete, and also bridge topics, each of them in several levels of complexity. The learning materials with theory, graphics, and video tutorials are accompanied by quick quizzes to test the knowledge you have gained, making the course more brisk and fun. Moreover, after passing all the attached quizzes, you are entitled to a certificate of completion. The new courses are available in several languages. If you want to expand your professional education or simply improve your user skills in IDEA StatiCa applications, visit the campus category in your user portal.